Welcome to DoodlyDoo Lens.
Hello, friends! Today we are going to learn animal names.
Let's meet our animal friends one by one.
This is a dog. Dogs love to bark and wag their tails. They are friendly pets. This is a cat. Cats love to play and take naps. They say
Meow, meow, meow.
This is an elephant. Elephants have long trunks and big ears. They are very strong. This is a lion. Lions are called the king of the jungle.
They roar loudly. Roar.
This is a cow. Cows give us milk. They say This is a monkey. Monkeys love to jump and eat bananas. They say This is a duck. Ducks like to swim in water. They say
Quack, 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 quack.
This is a horse. Horses run fast and are very strong. They say This is a giraffe. Giraffes have very long necks. They eat leaves from tall trees. This is a panda. Pandas love to eat bamboo. They are soft and cuddly. This is a zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. They live in the grasslands. This is a penguin. Penguins love cold places. They waddle when they walk. This is a rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and hop around. They love to eat carrots. This is a frog. Frogs can jump very high. They say ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. This is a goat. Goats can climb hills and eat grass. They say This is a sheep. Sheep have soft wool. They say This is a bear. Bears are big and strong. They love honey and berries. This is a tiger. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes. They are very good hunters. This is a camel. Camels have humps on their backs. They can walk for days in the desert. This is a parrot. Parrots have colorful feathers. They can talk and say words. This is a turtle. Turtles have hard shells. They can live in water and on land. This is a dolphin. Dolphins are smart and playful. They can jump out of the water. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroos carry their babies in pouches. They can hop very high.
Yay!
We learned so many animal names today.
Which animal was your favorite?
Bye-bye, friends. See you